Hi kids! In our last class, we had done multiplication table of 8. So, today we will learn multiplication table of 9. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at here. 9 into 1 equals to 9. 9 into 2 equals to 18. 9 into 3 equals to 27. 9 into 4 equals to 36. 9 into 5 equals to 45. 9 into 6 equals to 54. 9 into 8 equal to 72. 9 into 9 equals to 81. And 9 into 10 equals to 90. So have you learned it? So let's start. How to learn it? 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 8 ja 72, 9 9 ja 81 and 9 10 ja 90. So let's start once more. Okay? 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 8 ja 72, 9 9 ja 81 and 9 10 ja 90. Okay, have you learned it? Thank you. Bye bye.